Right. We have another situation like this again. You can see it will give us a quadratic equation. So now let's make y the subject of the formula here on this equation in equation 2. So y is equal to 1 plus x. So this is from equation 2. So y is equal to 1 plus x. So now we substitute for y in equation 1. Substitute for y in equation 1. So in equation 1, it's like this. This is x squared plus 1 plus x squared is equal to 5. Like this. So now we need to expand this bracket. So now we want to use the symbol method here. From those who are doing higher levels, we need to use the Pascal's triangle. But for now, we just want to expand it easily. So like now we have power 2 and power 3. They are easy to expand. But if it was 4, 5, 6 going up, it would be wise to use the Pascal's triangle to expand this. But for now, let's expand this easily. It's just plus, we say 1 plus x plus x, 1 plus x, like this is equal to 5. So this is x squared plus 1 times 1. What do we get? We get 1. 1 times x. What do we get? Plus x. 1 plus x times 1. We get plus x again. X times x. We get plus x squared is equal to 5. So since there is a positive sign outside the bracket, so nothing changes in this bracket. So now we have x squared plus x squared. I took this x squared plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. So now x squared plus x squared, what do we get? We get 2x squared. So now 2x squared plus 2x, we take 5 comes this side, it becomes 1 minus 5, we get minus 4 is equal to 0. So now this is the situation we are having here. We need to, maybe if we simplify it further, maybe we just factor out 2 here, factor out 2. But now let's just solve it quickly here by factorization. Let's see, 2 times minus 4, what do we get? We get minus 8. We get minus 8 here. The 2 factors which we can add so that they can give us 2. What do we have? We have 4 and 2. So giving signs to 4 and 2. So it's 4 and minus 2. So now we have 2x squared plus 4x, then minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. So now factoring out 2x here, 2x, we are left with x plus 2. Here, obviously, this bracket is x plus 2 is equal to 0. What are we factoring out here? We are factoring minus 2. So now we have 2x minus 2, x plus 2. So now 2x minus 2, x plus 2. So we are saying 2x minus 2 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. So now 2x is equal to 2. Divide by 2 both sides. X is equal to 1, or x is equal to minus 2. So now we have two values of x. We substitute them in any equation. So the simple one here is equation 2. So from equation 2, substitute for x. So now we substitute for x in equation 2. So now y minus x is equal to 1. This is equation 2. So put x there. So 1, y minus 1 is equal to 1. Y is equal to 2. 1 goes this side, it adds the other one. We get y is equal to 2. Then another one, y minus x is equal to 1. We substitute again. X is equal to minus 2. So this is y minus 2 is equal to 1. It becomes positive here. So y plus 2 is equal to 1. We take 2 the other side. It's 1 minus 2. So now y is equal to minus 1. So therefore the solutions here, therefore x, when x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 when y is equal to 2. Then x is equal to minus 2 when y is equal to minus 1. So these are the solutions to this simultaneous equation. So these ones, they are a bit complex because they will find quadratic equations in the middle of the working. But otherwise, this is how you go about this kind of situation.